Hello, today I'm going to talk about space exploration in Ecuador. I'm going to talk about about EXA. EXA is an Ecuadorian civilian space agency. It was founded in 2007. I have 3 points that I want to talk about. First of all, is that EXA create the station, which the name is Hermes Minotaur. This station is used by many universities around the world. And secondly, EXA design and operate a satellite in the classroom program. This program allows to elementary school students to have their virtual ground station. Also, students can download satellite images and data in the real time in the classroom. They can download images from the north of Chile to south of Mexico and from west of the Galapagos Island to east of Brazil. Finally, EXA designed and built the Pegasus satellite. Pegasus is the first Ecuadorian satellite, and it was able to transmit live video from the space. Pegasus was inserted into orbit on April 25, 2013. EXA was awarded with the Vicente Rocafuerte Medal to Scientific Merit by the National Congress. This is all what I can talk about this topic. Thank you very much.